Hi, I'm Evie and I'm a Dulux New Zealand colour ambassador. I'm excited to be using the Dulux Renovation Range to give my kitchen a total makeover. It's easy and affordable and I'll be doing it all myself. Our kitchen is very functional and we really enjoy using it, but compared to the rest of the house, it's very stark and white and doesn't really fit with our style. So it's great to be able to use the Dulux Renovation Range to give it a whole new look, to really fit in with the rest of the house without having to rip it out or buy a whole new kitchen. I have a kitchen now that matches my style and the rest of the house, and I'm just completely in love with it. Painting the wall in Bluff Hill and the cabinets in Big Glory Bay, both lovely warm salmon colours, have brought in so much brightness and lightness and made the room actually seem bigger.